Alright you guys, it's Brandon back with another one, and today we have the first replicas that I've seen of the Bose Frames. I did order these from Alibaba. They were $40 and then $25 for DHL shipping. You have Bose Frames Alto, sealed in the box. You have a Bose case. And pamphlets. And the charger. Safety instructions. Cleaning cloth. And a USB-C cable for charging. And they do have the Bose logo. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up and get a closer look, and I'll be back. Alright guys, here we are with a real pair of the Bose Frames. And this is the fake pair I got off Alibaba for $40. And these were $199. So we're gonna unbox these and see if there's any difference in the box. I can already tell right away the box size is smaller on the real one. And then on the fakes, they were shrink wrapped. This one just has these little pull tabs. And the case looks completely different. Got your manuals. then you got the frames inside. This little black bag. Has your pins for charging instead of using USB-C like the fake pair. But all in all, they look really similar. So I'm gonna go ahead, get these set up, take a listen and compare them and see the difference and see if they're worth the extra $150. All right, stay tuned. All right, and we're back taking a look at the Bose Frames fake versus the real. And right off the bat, you can see the fake box is a lot bigger than the real box. There's a lot more space around the label. And then the gray is lighter on the fake box. Also, the print isn't as clean, the picture of the frames isn't as good. So just all around, just not as high quality. And then another big difference is the fake one came in shrink wrap and the real one had this pull tab. And then on this side, you have the SKU code and all that. But on the real pair, it's on the other side. And there's this label on the fake pair that's not on the real pair. Now taking a look at the bottom, they kind of come with the same things. They are laid out a little bit differently, but that could just be because this is an international model and this is the United States model. And that's verified by looking at the tops here. It just says small, medium, medium, large. And here it says global fit underneath. So now, taking a look inside the box, you'll see right away another big difference. And that's the cases. The real case looks a lot nicer. A lot more clean, a little more classy. And then there's this case that also has the Bose logo. And I don't know if, there is a model that came with a case like this or what, but the case that came with my real pair is nowhere near this case. So now you have the cases. And then inside here, you have this manual, which just tells you to connect it to the Bose Connect app. And this manual isn't in the fake pair. And there's also your little warranty booklet. The warranty booklet is in the fake pair box though. And then there's also a little microfiber cloth, and then the warranty booklet. So now setting all that off to the side, taking a look at the glasses themselves. The charger for the real pair came in this bag, and then it was also wrapped in a plastic like this inside the bag. But I don't have another magnetic charger, so I had to open it and use it. And those connect magnetically inside right there. While the fake pair looks like it has that, but it doesn't. You actually charge it in the bottom through USB-C. If you can get it to open. Another flaw is the Bose logo on the real pair is black, while on the fake pair it's white. And then another difference, which is kind of hard to show on camera here, is these frames are actually kind of translucent, like you can see through them, you can see the wire in the top of them. But you have to put them up in direct light for that. While on the fake pair, it's just solid black plastic. And then there's no text or anything on the inside of the arms on the fake pair. But on the real pair, there is. And then the difference when you turn them on is the fake ones talk to you. They're like powering on, connected, while the real pair doesn't. It just like dings in your ear and then makes another ding when it connects. And the fake pair doesn't connect to the Bose Connect app. Now for the big question, the sound quality. The real pair sounds worlds better, but the fake pair for the price doesn't sound bad. My biggest complaint about the fake pair is the left side sounds very faint and distant compared to the right side, so the volume level isn't quite as even. But they aren't horrible, and I'm pretty satisfied with them for $40. But I do recommend buying the real pair if you're actually interested in the bone conduction and, you know, the better sound quality and actual Bose quality sound. There is an updated fake that has the magnetic charger that I am working on getting, so I'll be doing an updated video comparing those once I get that in. So go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.